Since 1975, one car has defined the balance between performance, luxury, and innovation. The BMW 3 Series, a symbol of driving pleasure, a benchmark for generations, and the heartbeat of BMW itself. It began with the E21, compact yet ambitious, introducing the world to a driver-focused cockpit and the spirit of the ultimate driving machine. Then came the E30, expanding into sedans, convertibles, and touring models. It gave birth to the legendary M3, proving that the 3 Series was not just a car, it was a motorsport icon. The E36 refined the formula with aerodynamic design and advanced suspension. It was sharper, more modern, and carried BMW's reputation across the globe. With the E46, precision met performance, a stiffer chassis, advanced safety, and the unforgettable M3 with its high-revving inline-six cemented the 3 Series as a true driver's car. The E90 generation brought turbocharged power and modern design. It was the 3 Series for a new era, efficient, powerful, and unmistakably BMW. Then came the F30, larger and more luxurious, introducing efficient dynamics and new body styles. It proved that the 3 Series could evolve without losing its soul. Today, the G20 carries the torch with digital innovation, hybrid technology, and sharper design. It is connected, electrified, and ready for the future.